Hello everybody, today I'm going to teach you how to speed vault. Now a speed vault is basically a move where you can overcome an obstacle from about this high to even up to this high without having to slow down. So if you're running full speed, you can just take it down as if it wasn't even there. In my opinion, this is one of the more vaults you will be using in your stunt career or even just for fun. So you're being chased by someone, or better yet, you're chasing someone, and you have to get them before they get away. So how are you going to jump over an object that's jumped over easy? You're going to do the speed vault. Now there are many different ways to do this move. You could use either hand, and then either leg to jump off with. Now whichever hand you pick to use, this will be your support arm. This will be the arm that carries you over the obstacle without getting hurt. Today, I will be using my left arm to show you how to do this move. So what you want to do, as you approach the object, place your hand on it. Then next, kick off with the same side as your hand. Like that. If this move is hard to do, practice jumping up with both feet onto the railing. And just try to maintain that as long as you can. Then soon, just raise your feet slowly higher and higher, and soon you'll be able to do the speed vault without even knowing it. A key to learning this speed vault is feet placement. If you don't get that right, you're probably going to clip your feet on whatever you're trying to overcome and land on the ground, and that's not very good. It's important to know from how far or how close you need to jump so your feet make it over it, clearing the object without clipping them. So if you're starting out pretty close, then you could jump right here. But if you're coming out at full speed, you want to jump from probably back here to give your feet time to jump over. So you just have to keep this distance in mind, and that will come with practicing and practicing. Soon it will be in your brain, so right when you see an object, you will be able to know whether you'll be able to clear it or not. So there you have it. There are the basic moves to learn this speed vault. If you like this video, give it a like, and subscribe for more like this in the future. Now get out there and speed vault.